We are walking through apartment 413. This is a Tori floor plan, and this one is 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den. So imagine just walking into this view every day. So you walk right into this expansive kitchen, and then you can just see the beautiful natural light coming in from these floor to ceiling windows in this space. So it's so pretty to walk into. It's so open and airy. So you walk in, this particular apartment does have the gray cabinets, and there is a ton of storage in here. So if you like kitchen gadgets, so then when you turn around, you actually have even more storage in this really large kitchen island. And you also have space there in the middle for your microwave. So you can see these stainless appliances in here with the black hardware and the black backsplash as well. And while you're cooking, you can still entertain your guests. So this is all of the living space here. So pretty. And here to the left is your den. So here are the sliding doors for the den. That goes all the way across. You can see this is what leads out to your terrace. See the view here. Lots of space out here. Let's take a look at the kitchen from this angle. Let's go check. We got distracted by the beautiful view and we skipped the hall closet here. Let's go to the right first. So this is the first bedroom here. Again with the floor to ceiling windows, and you do have the ceiling fan. And then this one has this really handy pocket door, so it doesn't take up any space in your bedroom. And again, you have the gray cabinets, the double sinks here. Again, these are very big bathrooms, so lots of extra space to get ready. And then here is the tiled shower. You have the glass doors on there. Also in here is your fully customizable California closet. So you can adjust these shelves any way that you'd like. And it's funny, you'd think that that was big enough, right? But it actually just keeps going. So you actually have space around the corner as well. All right. Walk across here and check out the other side. So this first door on the left is actually your laundry room. So you have your full size front loading washer and dryer in here. And you have extra storage above, and this one is nice. There's actually extra storage next to it as well. So super handy there. And then we walk down this way. On the right-hand side is your bedroom. This one actually has the walk-in closet attached. And then the bathroom right across the way. So much storage in all of these spaces. It's so nice. Okay. And this one does have the tub and shower combo, but it has that really nice tile that goes all the way to the ceiling as well. Take you so you can see. All right, one more peek at the kitchen and the living space.